Right, this next bridge, I'm at KINGSLANGLEY, and here is the map. Goes to Chipperfield, nice little area. Brand new canal, bridge number 158. So, yeah, got the water leveller just there. Nice little bit of river runs through here, so yeah, I'm going to crack on and give it a magnet fish. I'll set my magnet up and get back to you guys and see if we can get any finds in it. Bloody wheelchair. I think that's the first one I've seen pulled out in a wheelchair. Nice. Now that looks like a very old roller skate and a fork. What's that? Yeah. That looks really old. Really old fashioned roller skate. Well, the wheel just fell apart in my hand. It's no good to me now, but yeah. Very old. Whoa! It's corroded in my hand. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. It's a bomb. That is a flipping bomb. Oh my word. What the hell? It still looks live. You have to call the bomb squad. Wow. Now that there has freaked me out a bit. Not seen anything like it. Don't know what sort of bomb it is. But yeah, first throw there. Don't really know what to do with that, to be honest. Didn't expect to find anything like it. It's massive. Absolute beast. Right, I'm going to attempt to pull that off the magnet. If I die, you're all here to witness it. Oh, what a lovely find. Jesus Christ. Oh, whoa. Stay away from me. Now, a lot of you probably would have said don't get touching it, but I'm so excited about that. Oh, what a beauty. If anyone knows what sort of device that is, let me know. The size of it compared to my hand. Some sort of flipping missile. What a beast. I'm not going to play around too much with it, just in case. Right. Just leave that there, I think, and try again. Oh, blimey, would you believe it? Don't know what it is, some sort of missile. I'll carry on, see if I can find any more. What a lovely find again. That's part of a gun. A double barrel. No, I don't think it is actually. I was just about to leave this location as well because I was thinking I weren't really getting much. But right towards that back edge of that wall seems to be a hell of a lot of stuff. Some of it's quite big, that can't on the magnet. That looks like some sort of protective sleeve that goes with that. That looks like a sword case. Anyone have any ideas what it is? Comment below and let us know. the nails on that one. Alright, let's try again, shall we? I mean, you can throw 50 times and get nothing. You throw that one other time and you're just covering such a small distance with a magnet. Ah, that's the second one I found. Camera. Yeah, I definitely think that's something to do with the railway. RMD it says on it. Right, so I'm going to call the police about this bomb that we just found.
Emergency with service.
Oh, hi there. Can I have the police, please?
Please, thank you. Police emergency, go ahead, caller.
Oh, hello there. I've just found a bomb in a local canal.
Sorry?
I think I've just found a bomb in a local canal.
Okay. Bear with me. Stay on the line. Just going to put you on hold for 2 seconds, sir.
No problem. Hello?
Just bear with me. Where are you?
I'm in KINGSLANGLEY, just near HEMEl HEMPSTEAD.
Whereabouts? I need like a street address or...
It's called Water Lane. Water Lane.
Water Lane.
Just at the bottom of Tom's Lane. Go.
Water Lane. I need to find it on the map because it's in KINGSLANGLEY.
You'll see a little bridge there on the map. If you can see it, it's directly under the bridge. We're magnet fishing. And
Under the bridge, yeah?
Under the bridge, yeah.
Water Lane. Oh, look at that. Map it's just taking me straight to the bridge.
That's it.
Bear with me. I need to get this sent out and then I need to get some details from you, so just bear with me for a minute or two.
Yeah, no problem.
What kind of bomb is it, sir?
It's about 12 inches long, and it's...
It's a very bad line. Can you move to somewhere where the signal is slightly better, do you think?
How about that? Can you hear me now?
That's better, yeah. Are you safely away from the bridge?
I am away from the bridge, yeah.
Okay, what does it look look like?
Right, so it's probably about 4 inches wide, diameter, 4 inches,
4 inches wide.
yeah, and about 12 inches long with a pointed end on it.
About 12 inches long with a pointed end. Yep.
Yeah, I've actually seen people before pull out similar things in rivers, magnet fishing, and I'm not sure the name of this thing, but they said if you ever come across a live one, which this is a live one because it hasn't been fired, they said to stay well clear of it. So this is just
Paula
like...
has seen similar, hang on, SIMI, similar. Sir,
Yep.
can you move again? The line is really bad.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Not very well. You've seen similar pulled out during what kind of fishing?
Magnet fishing. Magnet fishing.
During magnet fishing.
I bet you don't see many of them though, do you?
No, we don't.
We've got it on, got a few pictures on here because we actually caught the moment where we actually got it out of the river.
Alright, well I'm going to have the rope closed above the bridge as well, so
Right.
if I could ask you to clear the area, because we're probably not live, but the last one I came across that was like this did actually have still a live trigger in it, so...
No.
So, if I could ask you to...
Yeah, because you see this bit around the, at the edge here?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if that's...
Yeah, 4 and 6, it's typically the one time I come out that will work mobile, which I have with me. I've got my normal mobile. Is it a generic email address? Is it Oscar1general@hearts? Could I ask you guys to
Yeah,
go,
no
please?
worries.
Sorry.
All right, mate. Thank you.
Cheers.
Right, police have asked us to leave the area immediately, as this could be quite dangerous. We've got some more police forces coming, probably here in the background. And there's a car just up on the bridge. I think they said they're going to close the road because of the risk of the device. Looks quite dangerous, so we've had to walk away from the area. And we believe the bomb disposal team are on their way as well, so we'll try and stay here and see if we can catch it on film. Right, they're all coming down now. They've actually just shut the road at the other end. And they're coning the road off as we speak.